Okay, should we start the class now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going to share my screen. Let's do it. We'll do it, similar way how we did yesterday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I want you all to practice. That's why I'm trying to allocate most of the time.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to just waste your time in just explaining the things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Today contact photos.
So all your friends are online, right? All your friends came back, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to understand.
joined 3 minutes late.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, today what we are going to learn?
Yeah, I'm going to explain you today it's an important tag that we are going to learn.
Okay, sir.
One of the important feature of Microsoft Word. Have you ever heard about the bullets?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yeah, we are
Yes,
going to
sir.
learn that today. So how
Yes, sir.
we can represent the bullets using HTML. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll learn that today. Okay, I think everybody are in. So shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, today we have already completed almost 17 classes and today is our 18th class. So let's see what's there inside, okay? Ooh, yes. See, let's do the revision of yesterday, what we learned yesterday, okay? Let's see what we learned yesterday and then we'll try to see HTML list. So HTML list is nothing but the bullets. The bullet points, right? So how we display those bullet points using the HTML code. So I'm going to teach you that part. Okay? And so I'm not sure whether you would be able to understand all the 3 tags. So I'll try my best to make you understand the first one. Okay. So if we complete within the time, it's okay. Otherwise, I'll take up the ordered list or description list tomorrow. Okay. If we find the
Okay,
time,
sir.
we'll complete all the 3. Okay. Let's try. Yes. Now let's start the revision. Okay. Yesterday's revision. Okay. I want first question to be answered by Revati.
On Friday, when is our mock test
Yes. Have
happening?
any of you have prepared, how you want to, explain about yourself and then, some of the questions. So have you all noted it down?
Yes.
Yes, sir. But it's all normal questions, so I actually didn't practice it, sir.
Okay. To maybe, let's see today. So if any of you who have practiced, right? So let's try, mock of mock. It's just trial run. Okay, we say the trial run before it
Other
is
mock
real, right?
is only trial. Double trial.
Yeah, double trial. It's like we'll make it as a trial today and see if to give you all feeling like how it looks like.
Sir, I can't take photos of it, sir, today.
Okay, it's okay, Harshini, no problem. No worries. Okay. If it is important, then I'll tell you. Maybe while writing the code, right? Okay. Good.
I just write
you
and I will
remember.
send, sir.
So, Shrijan, will you be able to tell about yourself tomorrow? Will you
Yeah,
be ready?
yes. Yeah, sure.
You would be okay, right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. You just prepare some points about yourself and let me mute. Okay, let me mute. So somebody's voice is coming. Okay.
Sir, someone is blowing air, sir.
Yeah, I just muted everyone. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Tomorrow Srijan is going to explain about what he has done, which class he's studying, and then what makes him happy, what makes him strong, and where he is good at, what are his weakness points, and then how he is going to improve all those things. We'll hear from Srijan. Okay. So that you all should be prepared for the subsequent classes. So I'm going to ask anyone. So you should be able to tell. Okay. So this actually, you know, gives you all a feel of how the real life situation is. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see the. Yeah. Can Harshini? Can you tell us the second answer? The answer for the second one. Okay. Passing it to Suman Santosh. Suman. Suman Santosh, I can't hear you. Okay, pass to Srijan.
Mark.
Sir, I was on mute, sir. I was talking.
Okay,
But I was on mute.
yeah, let's give it to Srijan. Okay, Srijan,
Mark base
you
and strong. Mark base and strong.
yes. So yesterday we learnt about mark, we learnt about the base tag,
Base tag.
we learnt about the strong. Very good. Very good. So third question I am giving it to Arav. The dash tag is used to highlight the text in the HTML page.
Strong tag.
Highlight the dash tag.
Mark
is
tag.
used
Mark.
Mark tag.
Yes, mark tag is used, you know, it is used to highlight the text. Okay. Now let's give
Okay,
it let's give it next one to Ketan. Ketan.
Sir.
The dash tag is used to represent important text in the HTML page.
Strong tag.
Correct. Strong tag is the tag which we use it for representing the important text. Okay.
Sir,
Use
I
it
can
for-
send you photos now, sir.
Yeah. No, actually this part is not needed. This
Not
part
this
is
part,
not needed.
sir.
Only the code. Yeah.
Important. Sir, can you ask me the next question? Yeah.
Mitra, right? Mitra, yes. You take the next one. So I'll give this one to maybe Brinda. Brinda, dash tag is similar to bold tag.
Strong.
Okay, let's pass it to Jashwant. Jashwant, dash tag is similar to bold tag.
Tag, sir.
Repeat again.
Strong tag.
Yes, strong tag. Okay, I'm going to put again everyone on mute. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Mitra, next question goes to you. The target attribute is specified in dash tag to specify the default target attribute for all the links in the HTML page.
Mark, sir.
No.
Oh, that's wrong.
Loop.
You know what I'm going to say in this one is the target attribute. So when you specify some
HREF.
value in the target attribute, right, that value will be common across the links in the HTML page. So what is,
HREF.
yeah,
HRF is not a tag. It's not a tag.
so
The base tag.
yes, we are going to represent target attribute in the base tag. So when you represent the target attribute in the base tag, what is going to happen is that target value will be applied to all the target attributes of the hyperlink in that page. Okay.
Sir,
No need to
actually
specify
didn't
all the
understand
hyperlinks.
base tag, so I couldn't tell, sir.
Okay. Is that Mitra?
Yes, sir.
Mitra, okay, fine. So if you don't understand, right, you ping me in an offline, okay? I will explain you.
In the other link which you send it.
No, you just, send me WhatsApp. No, if you don't understand the classes, right? So what I usually suggest is you have to watch the class, okay? I think I sent a YouTube link today. So yesterday's class, I already uploaded and then sent in YouTube. Send the YouTube link in WhatsApp group, okay? So maybe I suggest you check yesterday's video again today, okay? Maybe
Yes,
later
sir.
after the class. So then you'd be understand. If you still don't understand, right, you just let me know, okay? Ping me on
Yes,
WhatsApp,
sir.
I'll explain you better, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one, I'll pass it to, I'm not sure whether Monica attended yesterday's class. So I'll pass it to Abhijit. Abhijit, to you, the last one. Dash tag can be used to specify the default URL for all the links in the HTML page. Okay, pass it to Pranav. Okay, I want you all to have the quick answers, you know. Okay, let's pass it to Srujan.
It can base.
Yes, so base tag can be used to specify the default URL. Okay, we'll specify the default URL in the base tag so that that default URL will be applied across all the links in the HTML page. So I suggest you all to check the video, okay, yesterday's video, so that you would understand.
You're muted.
So you are
Okay.
in mute, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I just unmuted. Okay, let's learn this unordered list. Okay, let's learn what for this unordered list is used for. Okay, usually
Okay, sir.
this is one of the feature in the Word document. So we actually specify some of the items as the bullet points, right, in the Word document. So we use unordered list in the HTML page. We represent that using the UL tag. Can you see it here? UL tag. So UL is nothing but unordered list. Okay. This is nothing but unordered list. So what happens is all the contents, right? See here, coffee, tea, milk, all these things will be displayed as the bullets. Okay.
So I have a doubt.
Yes, Mitra. Yes,
Sir,
mention
unordered list. What is the meaning of unordered list?
Okay, it's like you can mention it in any order, like T can come. So okay, instead of this, I'll mention something like this. Okay, Max Science Social Studies. Okay, these are the 3 items. Fine. So
Okay.
Sir, but in bullet points, we have different types of bullet points, right? How can we specify that those
yeah, I'm
types
going
of?
okay, you can
points.
specify the bullet points using the style property. This is the style property actually, list style type. So I'm going to explain this part also where you will be writing. So you usually write it in the style tag here. So you specify the style attribute. Sorry, it's not tag, it's an attribute. Style attribute. Use the style attribute to specify the style property. So this is the style property. And for this style property, it can hold all these 4 values. Okay. Now let me explain Mitra's question. Okay, Mitra. So suppose in day, in your as part of daily, right? So the subject, max subject can appear first. Sometimes max subject can appear second. Social studies may appear first, right? So it can come in
Yes,
any
sir.
order. So if it comes in any order, we say it as unordered. Okay.
Okay.
Ordered list is something like this: Sunday to Saturday.
Monday.
Sunday, after Sunday, what comes? Monday.
Saturday.
After Monday,
Monday.
Saturday.
Tuesday. Yeah, something like
Saturday, sir.
yeah. It is like
So Saturday
sequential. It is like ordered. Means that will be in that order only. It will not change at all. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and again Sunday will repeat. So that order will not be changed at any point of time. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, will unordered list tag will be like a timetable?
No, it's not timetable. I will explain you that part. Okay. I'll show you the code. Then you would be understanding.
Sir, can you show the output of the code?
Yes, I'm going to do that actually. This one is the next one. So I'll just mark it the related content.
Sir, a small request. Can you add my dad number to this WhatsApp group?
Yeah, you can send me by, yeah, you send me the number in the WhatsApp group, I'll add it, okay?
No, okay, sir. I will send in chat box.
Who is that?
Harshni, sir.
Ashmi, okay. Okay, Friday, and then let's see Saturday. Okay, this is an ordered list. Let's learn about unordered list first, okay? So I'm going to open my code. This is my code, right? So let's see where it comes. Today is lesson 18, right? Okay, lesson 18 here. And let's create the file. Class 18.html, okay? And in this class, I'm going to copy the content, some basic content, okay? And I need an end tag of the bold, okay, body ended. And then less than symbol, so it auto asks actually. Now we got the full HTML template here, okay? Once we get the HTML template, we'll see like, subjects, right? Okay, we'll take an example of what we are learning. Unordered, yes,
List.
unordered list in HTML, okay?
Okay, sir.
So let's see about subjects. Okay, subjects, and then we'll take about the points, how we can take. So unordered list, right? So unordered list. So it should start with U and L.
UL.
So there'll not be any displayable content that we directly write in UL.
Then why did you write LI in PowerPoint?
Yes, Mitra, you can see here actually, no? So the LI is the tag that is going to hold the items, okay? It is like, LI, okay? And LI, we have to write the subsequent ending tag. Okay, now let's see. This is the placeholder for all the items. LI is the placeholder for all the items. UL just says that this list is just the unordered list. Okay, let's
Okay, sir.
copy paste this one. Subjects, right? So like, Telugu or Hindi or, okay, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil. This is the period one or something like any period, okay? Telugu, Hindi. Okay, we'll take out Hindi here. Hindi is our national language, right? So Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, something like this. Telugu, Hindi, English. And then mathematics,
Science.
science,
Geography.
Social science.
social
Science.
studies. So we have these 6 subjects, right? Generally, let's take about, general contents, okay? For these subjects, it can be in any order. The first period can be Hindi, the first period on Tuesday can be English, the first period on Wednesday, it can be Maths, something like that, okay? So the order may come in any way, right? Any order, correct, right? So in those scenarios, we just use this unordered list representation tag, okay? Let's see how it looks like.
Yes, sir. Open it in Google.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to double click this. Let's see where it's going to open. It's open here. Okay, I'm going to see here. So these are the subjects, And this is how all the points look like. How many subjects you have? You can say like, I have these many subjects. It's something like this. So there is no order actually, like, which order we have to mention, something like that. No need to specify any order here in this case. That's why we say it as unordered list. Okay.
So is it like, suppose if we are going to an online school, they'll give some files to sign in the laptop, and then these are the subjects we will teach in
Mitra, see, I'm telling you, this content is there, right? You forget about this content. What UL and LI, reflects in the HTML page is like a bullet points.
bullet points.
Yes, this is important. You have to understand the bullet points. The content is, represented in HTML page as a bullet points. Yeah,
Sir, you can.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Can you show?
Bullets.
okay, can you repeat? I didn't understand.
Can you show
again,
sir?
Bullets, you can change. We can change the bullets.
Yes, you can see it as a bullets. You can see it as a bullet points.
Can you show
If the bullets had any other name?
Okay.
Sir,
can
you show again?
Okay, let me explain it again. Okay, let me explain this part again. Okay, this is how you all know bullet points in Word document, right? What MS Word document?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know MS Word document, right? So let's see how the bullet points can be represented in HTML. Okay, and the answer is, this is how I write the code to represent bullet points in HTML page. So this is a simplest meaning. Okay, so you forget about like unordered list, all those things. Okay, for your understanding, I just make it simple. Like the bullet points are represented using these tags like UL tag and LI tag. Then if somebody asks you what is UL tag, so then you can say UL tag is nothing but unordered list. To represent unordered list, we use UL tag. Okay, and LI is like list only, list item. And when you when you run this program, it looks like the bullets in the HTML page. Okay, so this is somewhat important tag in HTML. So we very frequently use these bullet tags. Okay, let's see, you might get some idea. So I don't want to specify the bullets here. I want to the circle shape bullet, right? The solid circle shape bullets are there, right? You don't want to specify. You want to specify some other way. Okay, like only the circle, only the square. So how to represent is, I'll show you in the bottom section here. Okay, the same thing. Let's mention this one as H2. I'm giving H2 heading 2, and then what's the title of this? What shall we give? What is the demonstration? Demo of what? Bullet, yeah. Bullet points with
Can we put a hyperlink inside the list?
solid. Yeah, you can put it. See, that's why this is like a nested. So you can use.
Sir, can we keep style tag?
Span tag.
Sir,
Yes.
can we keep style tag for bullet?
Tile tag. So what is that?
Style tag.
Style.
Yes. Yeah. That's what. Yeah, correct. I'm going to explain that part now. Okay. I'm going to explain that only. So this is a solid color. Okay, solid circle. So it is a default actually. Default style is bullet circle. Solid circle. Okay, here demo for bullet points with solid circles. Okay, solid circle points. Now let's see how. Okay, for differentiating, we'll mention as horizontal rule. Okay, Now let's copy the same part. Let's copy the same part. And then let's see. Let's see how it looks for circle only. No, it's not solid, just a circle. So what we need to do is you have to use the style attribute here, okay? You have to use style attribute, and inside this style attribute, list style type, you have to specify this list style type, okay? Here you can see many of the options, okay? You can use many actually. Let's see, like, you know, circle, right? Let's use circle and see, like, you know, how it looks. And each property you can separate using the semicolon, okay? I'm saving this part, and let's see here how it looks. Boom, see? This is the solid, okay? And then this is the only the, what do you say, boundary circle, that's it.
We can change the letters.
Which letter? The content.
We can change the handwriting of this
Like the
letters.
Use italic tag.
Yeah, inside, right? Inside you can use anything, okay? Inside you can use italic. I want italic here, so you can
Means
mention.
like even colors.
Yeah.
Like
you
blue
can mention.
color.
Correct. You can use any colors. You see here I put italic, right? So it changed to italic.
Sir,
Okay.
if now the letters are black, no sir, we can change the colors of the letters.
Yeah, you can change. You can change href, HINDI, Hindi.html. I'm not giving any hyperlink. So let's see, hyperlink also, it will come. See, Hindi has got hyperlink. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
And let's see now. If you want to try something different, if you want to try some other, right? So I'll just, you know.
Sir, today we are going to practice. Now, should we also put style tag also?
Yeah, you can do. You can add anything, you know, any creative things you can do on your own, and then you can let me know. Okay. Then that would be, you know.
Style tag.
Yeah, you can use style tag. Okay. That's
We
your
can keep
creative part.
bold tag.
That's your creative part. Okay. Now, okay, this
So
property
we can
is,
keep
you know, this
bold
property
tag
always comes
even.
like this only. You cannot use any other, you know, property. This is the list style type. Okay, and let's mention it square here. I'll mention square here. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I think.
Square is missing.
Yes, square is missing. Correct.
Sir.
Okay, square.
Sir,
Oh.
sir, we can keep a bold tag in this.
Yeah, you can use bold. Anything you can use.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
I will do bold tag, mark tag, and also strong tag.
yes, you can use any tag. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to remove the hyperlink for this. Okay. Let's remove the hyperlink tag for this Hindi. And you wanted bold, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's make it bold here. Instead of bold, we'll use it as strong.
Strong.
Yeah. I'm going to save this and then refresh this. So it looks bold here, you know, strong or bold. Okay. So this is the, you know, here, can you see the difference in all the three? This is to display square bullets. Okay. Instead of this,
Yes, sir.
I'll just mention demo of solid circle bullet points. Okay. Circle bullet points. And then here I mention Okay, bullet point. Now let's see. Okay, that's it. You see the difference between these three. First one is displaying with solid circle, okay? And then second one is the empty circle, okay? And the third one is the solid square. So,
Sir,
yeah, Mitra.
I have a doubt. Today's class doubt, it was some other class doubt. How do we put these lines? I forgot this tag.
Okay, this one, right? This line, right?
Chat tag. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mitra, you should not forget like that, right?
Sir, it's HR tag.
Yeah, see here. Mitra, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see? This is the tag we are going to use. HR, horizontal
Okay, sir.
tag. Okay?
Sir, HR closing tag.
Yeah?
HR
closing tag.
Yeah, HR have, the closing tag also. Like, you can mention / like this. I actually explained the header tag, sorry, the horizontal rule tag and the BR tag, right? Can be used this way to close. So it doesn't have end tag. So end tag can be.
Even we can change the color of this code language which you are showing you.
The take, the content here, right?
Not this.
The bullets, right? The bullets?
Yes. No,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, this language which are you.
Okay, the bullet points, right? All these bullet points colors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can make changes. That's what, HTML is all about. It's like, customize.
No, sir. Now you are showing this picture, no, sir. In these letters, we can change the color.
Yeah.
Not this, sir.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
No, here you
Means,
cannot change. This is actually, Visual Studio Code. I'm using the Visual Studio Code. It actually,
sir.
highlights the colors of the tags and attributes also. You see here, this is an attribute, right? So attribute will be represented with different color, and tags are used in.
So there is no option to change the color of this language.
Yeah, if you want to change, it's like, the tools feature, tools preferences you have to change. I'm not sure exactly so where we have to change, but usually we use the default colors actually. We use default
Yes,
colors.
sir.
Even in
Yes, sir.
Notepad also it changes, Okay, let's open a new one. I'll open the new one. Let's see where is our file. Our file is located here, right? So if you open this one in a Notepad, right, you see the colors. The color gets changed. The attributes is in red color here,
Yes, sir.
and the tags are in blue color. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Usually, it is like the text editors, default behavior. Okay, when you say the file in HTML, so the Notepad++ will actually understand.
To settings.
Means automatically it can change.
Yes. See here, suppose if it is JavaScript, right? So you can go to language. This is JavaScript, right? So you can just mention JavaScript. So it looks like, off is the
Okay,
keyword
sir.
there. So that's why
Oh my
it is.
God.
You can just mention which language you want to use it. So I want HTML, right? So I just select HTML. So it highlights actually, which color to
So
highlight.
there are permanent colors in according to the letters.
Yeah, but that's actually, that's not important in this subject actually, because that is the default behavior of the text editor. Okay, our priority
Yes,
is like
sir.
this one. Our priority is to understand how to represent bullet points using HTML page. So you must say.
Or we can change the colors of these bullet points.
Yes, you can change you can. That's why, all these things are creative things. What you have to do is you have to
Means in
ask.
different types.
Yes, you have to ask your Google God to make all those changes. Okay,
Okay,
even for me also, right? I haven't tried that part. I haven't tried that part, but we can try.
Sir, means if we are seeing the bullet points, one point one color and the other point is another color. Means different colors in bullet points.
That part I'm not sure actually. I doubt
Okay,
it
sir.
may not work. Okay, it is like set, right? So you are mentioning the bullets here, right? The style
Yes,
of the
sir.
bullet. So somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe here you may try actually. You may try. I'm not sure. I'm not sure,
Okay,
but we'll
sir.
try. Okay, let's try and see.
Means in different colors of this.
Yeah, the whole content is also changed, but
Yes,
still,
sir.
you can make changes here actually. This this
So
part, right?
what did you just do to keep it as red? Can you do it again?
Okay, here you can just mention this
So
color.
how did you put that black color box
Okay, where is that?
in
In
these
Word.
in
The options of
Visual
colors.
Studio? How did you put all the red and black and all?
Okay, this part, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this part is, I just applied the
Computer
color.
design.
Yeah, I just applied the color property of the style.
So
For
does
the,
it come in Notepad?
Means we can't change one column, one color, sir. So there is no option to change now.
yeah, we don't have option actually. So if you want to change point by point, right? You
Means
can
there
try.
is big process to do, sir.
I'll-
There is
Yeah,
no way to change.
I'll tell you the way actually. Sometimes you can use this way. To the
Yes,
list
sir.
item, right? You can mention style color equal to red here. Okay, let's mention red here. You want to alternate color, right? Style equal to what color we shall give?
Black.
Black.
Okay, no, we'll give blue. Blue here. Okay,
Yes.
we'll give blue, and then here style equal to color, and then blue violet. And then mathematics will give
Yellow.
Means it has very big process to change one colors.
yeah. So no, that's why it's all customized way. What we can, whatever we want to use, we can use it actually. It's up to
Sir,
us.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Can we customize the color?
Means customize the color means.
Can we keep various other colors like chrome?
Yeah, you can use. See, that's what. Okay, that's a good question. You see here, I don't know what color I want to use it. So, but I can represent the hash, and then 000 AAA, something like that. So 6 digits, and then you can choose actually, what color you want. Here you can choose like. So whichever
Sir,
color.
even we can change the background of this that page which you showed next.
Yeah, you can use anything. You see here, the color code. This is the color code. This is the color code.
Yes,
You can
sir.
just select this color code.
White color.
Yeah, you can use. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. You see here, all the bullets have changed to different colors. Okay, where is the code? My code is here. See here. Yeah.
Evening, sir. But I'm telling that I want to type it. Sir, can you repeat everything? I joined a little late.
Okay, see, what we are going to do now is, it was, the class, when I was discussing, right, it got, disconnected. So let's see, like, this is what I wanted to explain. So each bullet can be represented in different color using the style attribute, okay, style attribute for that list item. And how does it looks like? It looks like this. Can you see the screen here?
Yes,
So the
sir.
first one I mentioned red color. Second one it's hyperlink, right? So it doesn't get any. It doesn't get any colors actually, because of hyperlink. Hyperlink will have its own default representation, okay? And the third one we asked to mention it in different color. Fourth one yellow. Somebody asked yellow to display, right? So I used yellow. And then signs, and then this one, the last one, yeah, the last one we use the hash code, the color code. How you can represent this color code in this format. It's a hexadecimal notation. So you may not understand, but any number, 6-digit number, up to A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you can use that combination. Then you can get any color. So 0 to 9 and A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you mix
Sir,
up these numbers, you'll get a color code.
Sir, can you write the code in the chat box?
Okay, you want this code?
Yes, sir.
The whole code, right? Okay. Anyways, I'll
Good evening, sir.
I think Ashwini is back actually, Okay, I'm admitting, yeah. Okay.
Sir, I have another doubt. Means we can change the background of the another picture which you showed.
Okay, you want to change the background of this, right?
Yes, of this, sir.
Yeah, you can try something actually. No, I'm not sure, but you can try actually. Okay. Yeah, you can try background color. So background color, I doubt actually, but let's try actually. You know, it's like background
color will work like mark tags.
Okay, let's see. Background color, and then I'm not sure. Yeah, it worked. Harshini, you see?
Not this line, sir. Total background of this page.
So this part, the whole part, you mean to say?
Not this, sir. Whole this subjects to
Spelling,
end.
Oh,
Whole page.
oh, see,
Whole
you
page
must.
we can change.
Background color attributes, sir.
Any
You see
color.
here. You see here. Body is there, right? Body is the placeholder for the whole HTML page. Okay, it's like a display area, right? So here you can mention what color you want. So let's give some kind of, tomato color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll try. See?
Awesome.
Just asking the doubt only, sir.
Yeah, you can do anything actually. That's why, I want you all to practice. See, if you practice, then you'll come to know all these things. If you don't practice, very tough to understand because
Sir, can you
everything
show
goes
it
with
again?
imagination.
The background.
What, Arshini?
Can you show it again?
Okay.
Changing the background.
Forgot to do stop annotating, sir.
Oh yeah. Okay. Fine.
Give BG color.
Sir, you can use BG color attribute, sir, instead of background.
Yes, sir.
Tomatoes.
We can give BG color.
Colors we can keep background as pictures.
Yes,
Pictures, right? Okay. Picture also you can do.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Picture also you can use it, but you want to use the picture, you have to use the URL parameter, something like URL.
Sir, what is the full form of URL?
Uniform resource locator, something. Yeah, it's like identifying the resource. Uniform resource locator. See, you want to understand URL definition. What is the URL means? So you see here, the address of the worldwide page. In simpler words, uniform resource locator. Can see here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how, whenever you get any doubt, right? See, here I want to suggest you all one thing. I want you all to keep a notebook, small notebook. It's like a key notes book.
Sir,
So whenever
we
you
can
get
copy this para now, means from this Google type.
yeah, you can copy this content.
In the Microsoft.
No, you can copy.
I just tried. I don't have the option of the copy, so I just asked.
No, you can copy any content, right? See, any content, you just try to select it first.
Means we can copy the link of it in the Microsoft.
I'm not sure how you are asking actually. In the Word document, you mean to say here?
Means if there is link in this Google, we can copy and we can paste in this Microsoft.
Okay, let me open this.
Sir,
This is an empty document. You see here.
Okay,
sir, we can
copy a link also, sir.
Yeah,
Means
anything,
if there
anything.
is a video link, we can copy in this Microsoft. I'm just asking like that, sir.
Video link, right? You can copy any
Yeah.
link, right? See here, we have this
I
link, right?
just
This is a
tried
link.
yesterday, but it's not came, sir.
No, the video will not be displayed. The video will not be displayed in Word document. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Word document is separate,
Just-
separate subject. Okay.
We can copy the pictures in the Microsoft, no, sir. It can
You
to open the picture.
no, images you can copy. So you want to try
yes, sir.
images? You go here, select here, copy image. You see, copy image, and go to Word document. I'm going to delete this part. Control V. Okay, here you are not able to get it, so you have to go here. Go here. Let's see whether you can copy the image or not. No, here you are not able to copy. So let's see here. Oh, copy image. Copy image. Okay, let's save image as in the. Yeah, we already have here, right? So you can just edit this. And then what you can do?
Sir, we can edit the pictures
File.
in various colors.
Okay, you can copy this part, close this, go to Word document, Control V. So it prints the image. So it takes some time actually. It takes some time here. Okay, this is actually, this is separate subject. So I don't want to get into these things. So we'll
Okay, sir.
focus back onto our content. So Harshini was asking whether we can make any background image. So let's see actually background image. You see, I am showing you how to find the solution. You must also follow the same thing. I'm also not aware. So usually we do the same thing. Okay. Background image.
Just tried yesterday, sir. I just tried in this processor. It's not came, so I'm asking.
Yeah, we'll try. I'm also trying, right? You just see how to try. See here, background image. You have to use this part. Okay, let's copy this. Mitra, wait, let's complete this one first. And then I'm going to put in the background. So where is our background? Background is here. And then image. Okay, this image, I'm going to find an image. So let's find an image. Okay, let's find one image. Yeah, where is this? Is rabbit one. Okay, not rabbit one. Let's see animal pandas. Yeah, this one will copy. Control C. And then let's go back to our folder. Where is our folder? Lesson 18. Okay, we'll go and paste it here. Okay, let's change the name. Okay, let's change the name to panda. Okay, and then Ara, 1 second, Ara. I'll just complete this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, here let's change the image. Okay, let's change the image path here.
Yes, sir.
Control V, and I think it should appear actually. We'll close this part. We don't need this. Let's try. See?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
You want
sir,
to
there is
send?
code language. Sir, this
Yeah.
code language we can copy all.
Okay, you want the high. Okay, if you want to set the single image, right? There is something called background repeat. Okay, background repeat, and then background repeat. We'll say it as repeat. No repeat. Yeah, we'll just mention no repeat. We'll see. So there are actually many things to find it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So how did you put this panda's picture? I didn't see.
Hey Mitra, I just shown you, right?
From copying
see here,
Google
yeah.
language.
You see here, I used background image style property, and I use this style property and set it in the body. So I'm using this body. Okay, let's try to edit and then make that image into small. Then it would be.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, can we keep our background of our HTML like some type of video also?
That is also possible, but you know, mostly we rarely use that actually. Only few websites they use.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
can we change the
I
size
resize the
bullets?
image now.
Sir,
See, I resize the image. So here,
sir,
let's.
yesterday when I resize the image, it's not same, sir. It's coming in very big image
See here.
when I
You know,
copying in this.
see, you can use. I'm using MS Paint and I'm using the resize option, and I'm going to reduce
Since
it
I
to
don't have option.
another 60%. I'm making it to 60%. So it became small, right? Let's save this, close this, go back here, and then see horizontally it is repeating, right? 2 times it came. So why it came 2
Yes,
times
sir.
is we have mentioned it repeat here, right? That's why horizontal. X means horizontal, Y means vertical. So we just say it as no repeat. So if you say no repeat, it should display only 1 time. You got it right?
So we can keep many times repeat
Yeah,
3
you can.
times. Means it.
No, that's why you can play around. You know, this style attribute is there, right?
If
This.
we keep 10, there is no space to keep the pictures in that background, no, sir.
No, it will use the default size that is available.
Means
So
automatically the picture will resize or we have to resize it.
we have to resize according to our requirements,
Yes, sir.
and then you know repeat accordingly.
Okay, sir.
So let's try something. So if you want to, you know, you can try actually. You know, these are all I just gave some ideas, so you can try all these things.
Okay,
So I'll just mention no repeat. Okay, no repeat, which will actually give only
Sir,
one
can we
point.
change the size of the bullet points?
Size of the bullets, yes, that's a good question. I suggest you try. It would be better you try. Okay, because I'm giving you the approach of finding the solution for yourself. Okay. Yeah, Harshini just asked me the question. One second, let's complete this part. Harshini just now asked, like, you know, whether we can change the background of the HTML page. So I searched on the Google and I found that, you know, there is a background image style
Sir,
property.
I have another doubt. If there is code language, we can copy in this Microsoft, not taking pictures of this code language. Means we can copy in Microsoft.
But that,
Means there is an option.
Harshini, that is a Microsoft Word is like, you know, it's only for your local purpose. You cannot use it on a server, right?
Means
So-
we can copy in any way. Means this code language.
No, you mean to ask, like, you know, why we want to write the code like this,
Yes,
right?
sir. In this way, we can copy in any way.
Yeah,
We
actually, no,
can
why we
copy
use
not only in Microsoft.
no, why we use this code is to display the HTML pages on the web server. So we deploy these HTML pages on the web server, and then we access the website. Word document cannot be, you know, user friendly. Like, you know, it's a heavy weight actually. So that's why you won't be able to easily access on the web. Okay. Yes. Now, Arav. Yes. What was your question, Arav?
Sir, could you? I have 2 questions. Could you send this whole HTML page in WhatsApp?
Okay.
Asking even that only, sir.
Sir,
Harshini, you took
But
the
I'm asking in another way.
sir, I have doubt, sir.
one
Sir,
second.
I have one.
Let me ask.
Sir,
Mitra,
sir,
one
it's
second.
Mitra,
Let me
I have
ask.
doubt.
Mitra, one
Sir, I
second. Let
have-
me ask. Let me ask Harshini. Harshini, you took the screenshot of this, or you
No,
want me
sir.
to? You want me to send this code?
Yes, sir. Wait,
Okay, I'll
sir,
send-
1 minute. I will just take the picture.
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, I want the code. Sir, I want the code. The screenshot will not be printed up
Sir,
properly
if
for me.
we don't have the option of screenshot,
Is
we can
HTML
copy this link and we can send to others.
Okay, actually, I
Use
think
this code language.
yeah, I want only one person to talk. Okay, it's like, you know, I'm not able to hear any of you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this code, and then you can, you know, try based on this, right? You can try on your own. Okay. And see, we just finished only one slide today, you know, unordered list. We haven't completed the other two, ordered list and description
Okay,
list.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll complete this part. So we'll learn only unordered list today, okay?
Okay, sir.
And
Doubt?
yes, Arav, your second question.
Yes, sir. My second question is that. Sir, my second question is that can we place all of these letters in in the background? These all letters in the Google Chrome.
Can repeat, Arav? What was your question?
In the background, you could give colors, na? Like that, could you keep this all letters?
Letters means
Means this what we are writing now also.
yeah, you can take the screenshot of this and then put it as a background.
Okay. No, sir. I mean that we can take this words.
Okay, but this content you cannot put it as a background, no. This is
Sir,
like a text,
taking
right?
Screenshot.
Yeah, you can
Sir,
take the screenshot.
if there is, we don't have an option of screenshot, we can copy and we can send to others this code language. Means
Yeah,
there,
you can send. You can send actually. You
can you
send.
show it again? Can you show once?
Yeah, I'll send the file actually. We have the HTML file, right? See, we have, where is our folder? Here, install lesson 18, right? Okay, we have this, right? So what I do is I'll send these two files to your WhatsApp group. Okay, our WhatsApp group is there, right? Where is our WhatsApp group? You want the text format means you have to change this actually. Okay, I will change it to TXT. Okay, TXT format. And then you have to change it in your local, okay, to HTML and then run it. So I'll send these two in the WhatsApp, okay. Okay, I'm sending these two. Yeah, these two I sent just now. So you can refer those two files, okay. I'll change it back to HTML. Okay, you got it, right? So next, Mitras,
Yes,
Mitra, your
sir.
question.
Sir, question was that can we change the letter size by using image tag? No. Can we put it for letters?
See, I think, you know, Mitra alone, Mitra is talking, so I want others to hide, mute yourself. I'm not able to hear. Yes, Mitra, you tell your question again.
Can we use width and height for letters?
For letters, you cannot use width and height, but you can set the font weight. So like
Sir,
something.
I have doubt.
Something
Even
like,
we
one
can
second.
change the.
Harshini, 1 second. Let me clear his doubt first. So here, you see here, we have English, right? See here, Mitra, can you see here? You can actually, you know, change the font size, you know, font size. Font size large. I'll just mention large. We'll see what happens. So where is our page? Is this our page? No, not ours. So where is our page? Our page is here. Let's refresh. Okay, can see here. Where is that? This one.
Yeah,
right?
demo of square bullet point.
Can you see English is larger? So I'll change the background. I'll remove the background. Okay.
Sir, no, it's my doubt.
1 second. Let me.
Okay, sir.
Background color we changed it to orange, right? Orange was tomato color was good. Background color. Okay, background color was tomato, right? Yes, we'll use tomato. And refresh this. Okay, let's change the size of this one. So that was Mitra's question. So font size, you can use font size, Mitra. Okay, font size, and font size you can mention as 50 px, or you know, pixels. Px is nothing but pixels. And then you see here, so only that particular text will be, size will be increased. Okay. So you can apply these things, like, you know, there are many things. There are many things that you can do with the styles. Okay, you have to play a lot actually. If you play, then you'll come to know a lot of things. Yes. Next question to Harshini.
Sir, we can change the handwriting of this code.
Yeah. You can
By
see.
using iTag.
Okay.
iTag.
No, not high tag. So let's try something. Okay. For
we
English.
can change the background if this code language there is blackness, so we can change the background.
Yes. You see here. I'll take up your question next. Okay. For you asked about the how to change the text, right? So let's talk about the font family. There is a font family style property. Okay. We'll use that font family, and then let's see. We can make use of any text. Okay. Let me take Vardhana. Okay, Vardhana, Tahama, and Sans Serif. Okay, I'm going to save this, and let's see the text. You know, the style of this text should be different. Okay, you see the difference of this English and mathematics.
Not this, sir. Can you show the previous code language?
Science became
Yes,
so
these
small.
we can change this code language handwriting, not that. Sir.
Harshini, actually, you know, you are asking something related to IDE. Actually, this is the IDE. This is only
Change
for code.
Sir, we
This
can
code, we can
change
change the
the
handwriting of this code. Not that.
handwriting, sir, like
No,
Lucida calligraphy.
Yeah, you can try actually. No, I'm not sure in this, but you can try somewhere in the configurations. Maybe install.
Sir, you actually changed the handwriting, I think so. Can you just go back to the Google Chrome?
Okay. No, she's asking about the configuring here actually. No, this is IDE, right? IDE is supported. So
Background and language.
yeah, this part you can actually, you know, try actually. You can use Notepad++ actually if you are not comfortable in this, right? You can use. Why I'm using this is because of this. You see here, Ketan might be knowing better actually, you know. If I select this part, right, I can actually, you know, press Control and Space bar. I will get lot of options already. So I need not type again. See here, Lucida Sans, right? I give Lucida Sans here. And then let's see here, refresh it. So the font, you know, changes here in the browser. So you're asking something related to the IDE, actually IDE fonts. So IDE fonts, actually we don't have, you know, information at this moment. You can try.
So we have option to change the background back of this code language.
You can try, you know, in the help section, right? You can find it actually. You can try actually. You try and see.
Yes, sir.
It may come actually. I'm not sure.
Sir, the
It is
code
that, you know, that will not.
That's why can I send the file?
Yeah, Ketan?
I can't give. Sir, my web page is too long, so I can't take screenshots. So can I share the file, sir, in WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure. You can.
Okay, sir.
So this code I have sent by, you know, WhatsApp group already. So this code, and then.
Even I to send it, sir, pictures.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll talk about, you know, ordered list and other things tomorrow. Okay. So
Okay,
I
sir.
want you all to practice these things. You know, these things are very important actually. Like, you know, list tag and, you know, unordered list, right? We very frequently use in the programming. Okay. Most of the website, wherever you see, right, you can find these bullets. So if
Sir,
you want
one
bullets kind
doubt.
of features, you can use this unordered list. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Okay.
sir,
Go ahead, Arav.
sir, even my list will also be long. I need to share the code. It will be like 262 lines I choose.
Okay, no problem. You mean to say this, Ketan, you wanted to send me the screenshot, right?
Sir, yes, sir, but the code and the web page is too
Okay,
long. That's why I'm
for
going to send the
screenshot,
file.
right, I can help you something like this. So you see here, full page screen capture. There is a plugin actually. So Chrome extensions. What you have to do is go here and then type Chrome extensions. Okay. and then click on the Chrome extension or web store. Actually, anything is okay. So here you can find actually, you know, here Chrome. Yeah, you search here full page screenshot, and you can find some plugins actually. Okay, when you install these plugins, so these plugins will appear in the top of the browser here. So
Sir,
you see here, this page is so many, right? So I can just click
Sir,
on this
I have
one.
one doubt.
Hmm? Yeah.
So we can change. You just previous you just keep the background of tomato color. We can keep the backgrounds 2 types different colors.
No. How can you make it? It's quite different, right? Only one color it will take. It will not take
Okay,
two
sir.
colors. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Ketan, you
sir,
understood,
how
right? If you
can
want, you
we
can use the
change?
plugins.
sir, can you show the code?
Sir, how can we change the handwriting like Lucida calligraphy, Allegrin?
This one, right? On the web page, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I used, I'll send you that link. Yeah, I'll send you that part alone, okay? Using font size, font family. You have to use font family. Search in Google, okay? Search in Google how to set font family. Okay, anything, you know, these values can be anything, but you know, you search with font family in Google. And if you want to increase the size, you can specify font size.
So we can keep designs of these letters.
Designs of these letters means
Not this code language, sir. Another page.
web page, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we can make designs of this
Yeah.
whole
See,
web
in web
page.
page, if you want to display any kind of, you know, look and feel in this browser, you can do multiple
Means we
ways.
can display any video.
Yeah, you
Means
can display.
like small. Can you show?
See, video tag I will explain later, okay?
Okay, sir.
I have a plan maybe next week. This is important, so that's why I'm focusing on this one. The order
Okay,
list,
sir.
okay? Yes, I think, you know, your second half also completed. So we are, you know, we could not complete all the slides. We could not complete the other 2 slides. So we'll take up these 2 slides maybe, you know, tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow we'll see, you know,
But
order
can you
list.
show the? So okay, but can you show the code? I'm
Yeah,
just
I
taking.
sent. No, I sent Mitra. I sent by WhatsApp already. TXT format, TXT file format. Yeah, it is a text format. You can just click on it. You can see the code.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, could you show that again how to take the full screenshot?
Screenshot, right? Okay. It's like, you know, you ask your father, okay, to install full page screenshot. You have to go to Chrome extension. You may not be able to do. You have to ask your parents, okay? So you have to go to Chrome extensions like this, and then you have to search. So you have to go here, search extensions. Okay, you go here, Chrome extensions, right?
Full page screenshot.
Let's try again. I'll show you Chrome extensions. I want Chrome extensions. Go here, and then you can use chrome.google.com. Then it goes to web store, right? So you can click on extensions here, and then you can search actually full page screenshot. So these are all plugins actually, plugins available.
So there is direct option of Chrome web store now, sir.
Oh yeah, web store also you can go. You can go to web store and then you can
But you are
search.
typing in the. So just.
Yeah, anywhere you can just, you know, add to Chrome. So when you click on add to Chrome, it will be added somewhere here, okay? And then when you click this, it will show you the whole page. Okay, I'll show you. This is the whole page, right? So let's try something. Google.com, okay? Google.com something. So this is all finance page, right? So it is so big already. So we'll try something to take the screenshot using this. So it's trying to capture the whole screen. So now you see, this is the page. It shows all the pages actually. The whole web page size it has captured. And here you can download actually. If you want to download, you can download. If you want to download as PDF, you can use it as a PDF. Okay. Yeah, you can see tomorrow's video. Maybe this whole content what I'm explaining now, right, will be there. You can do step by step. Okay, Arav? Yes,
Yes,
I
sir,
think
already
we are.
got it.
Did you done when I asked previous doubts in another classes how we can copy the link of the video and send to others? So you done it from YouTube.
Okay, you want the download the video from YouTube?
Yes, sir. After downloading, we have to send others. What is the process of that?
Okay, I think once you have the video, right, you can actually ask your parents. So
Okay,
you can
sir.
transfer by WhatsApp actually. You can transfer by WhatsApp.
Okay.
So if you want to send, there are multiple ways actually. Google Drive is there.
Yes,
Google Photos is there. You can upload there, and then you can pass them the link actually. So from that link they can download. I usually do that, like I use Google Photos, so I upload all the photos and videos there. And from any other device, I log in with the same.
I have
download.
one doubt.
Yes.
You are just keeping this Zoom class in notes in YouTube now, sir. How did you keep it?
Okay,
Link.
the
Sir records the video and then save and then put it in YouTube.
yes, Mitra.
So you record the video.
Yeah, that's what Harshini. I usually record the session and then I upload in YouTube.
In top it will be in top left corner.
Yes, sir.
There'll be
Okay,
three.
maybe sometime in Friday, and when we have free time, right, then we can talk all those things. So that's why I keep Friday as like jolly day, so we can discuss all those things on Friday. So now, right, during the class work, right, when we may not find sufficient time to explain all those things. Okay. So today's class, right? So as a final thing, today's class, what we learned is like the bullet points. So unordered list in HTML pages, how we design the bullets. So you can display as a circled, solid circle, or empty circle, or square. And none also you can use. If you don't want the bullet points, you can use a none. Okay. And we could not complete the other two slides, so we'll take it up on tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I think yeah, that's it from my side.
Yes, sir.
So anything you can just let me know by WhatsApp. Okay, I'll reply.
Sir, I
Thank
did
you all.
extensions just now.
Yeah, cool. That's cool, Arav. You ask your father. Okay.
Yes, sir. I also added to Chrome.
Okay, very good. Just Ketan, you can ask him. You can check with Arav offline. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. Anything you just let me know. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes. Bye bye.
Sir, can you end the call?
Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.